Apple's iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus product, Red editions are now available for purchase in India. The special edition iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus feature a red and will be available in 64GB and 256GB variants, starting at Rs 67,940, through Apple-authorized resellers. iPhone 8 product, Red edition's base 64GB model will cost Rs 67,940, while 128GB variant will be available for Rs 81,500. iPhone 8 Plus product, Red edition price in India starts at Rs 77,560 for the 64GB variant, while the 256GB model will cost Rs 91,110. Earlier this month, Apple launched iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus product, Red editions globally as part of its partnership with Product Red, an advocacy group dedicated to combating HIV/AIDS in Africa. The first countries to receive the smartphones on April 13 were Australia, Canada, China, France, Germany, Hong Kong, Japan, New Zealand, Singapore, South Korea, the UK, and the US. India is part of the third wave of iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus product, Red editions launch countries, with availability initially announced for May. This special edition product, Red iPhone features a stunning red and black color combination and also offers customers the opportunity to make an impact in fighting the spread of HIV and AIDS, Greg Joswiak, Apple's Vice President of Product Marketing, earlier said in a statement. Part of the proceeds of sales from its product, Red range goes to the Global Fund HIV/AIDS grants that provide testing, counseling, treatment, and prevention programs with focus specifically on eliminating transmission of the virus from mothers to their babies. As of December last year, the iPhone maker had raised over $160 million, nearly Rs 1,038 crores, for the product, Red brand owned by Red.